My girlfriend had just made me give up mushrooms and green, so I decided that she couldn't say anything if I took a legal drug. I walked down to the store that Tuesday and bought 2 boxes of Tylenol cold and cough containing 24 capsules each. Each capsule contained 15 mg DXM and 300 mg acetaminophen. I ate 29 of the pills and walked home. The week before I had taken 300 mg DXM and I wanted to experiment with more. I finished my pills around 6 o'clock and I felt the effects about 10 minutes later. I felt drunk and extremely sick. I stumbled upstairs and laid down in my bed. I laid there for about an hour, at which time I called my friend who came over immediately. After the trip, he told me I looked like I had seen a ghost. My eyes were wide and bloodshot. I walked around muttering the words, "I've left," and shivering every so often. I remember laying down again and talking to my girlfriend. I could hear myself speaking incoherently, but there was nothing I could do about it. I rolled over and laid in my bed for about another hour. It was about 10:30 now and the visuals began to hit me. At first they were in the form of minor changes in color and the objects in my room expanding and contracting. Then I turned off the lights and closed my eyes with no idea of what lay ahead. I opened my eyes in the total darkness to find 3D tubes about 3 feet long dancing in my room. I had never seen anything like this on shrooms or acid and it completely blew me away. I could actually stand up and inspect these visuals. Then I shut my eyes again and re-opened them to find my room covered in white O's. Again I closed and opened my eyes, this time to find a ghost-like blob bouncing at the end of my bed, closing in on me. I was petrified and just shut my eyes and whimpered. I then rolled over about 2 hours later to look at my clock, which read 2:02. The visuals had died down considerably. I fell asleep at about 4 o'clock and awoke to an air of fantasy. I was in disbelief about what I had seen and I felt very sick. I had to stay home from school for the 2 days afterward because I felt awful.